श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्य कवितार्किककेशरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृति वेदान्तलक्ष्मणमुनीन्द्रकृपातबोधं तत्पादयुग्मसरसीरुहभृङ्गराजं त्रय्यन्तयुग्मकृतभूरिपरिश्रमं तं श्रीरङ्गलक्ष्मणमुनिं चरणं प्रपद्ये। श्रीमते रङ्गरामानुजमहादेशिकाय नमः। श्रीमते निगमान्तमहादेशिकाय नमः। श्रीमते रामानुजाय नमः। श्रीमते गोदायै नमः. Namaskarams to all Bhagavatas. We are experiencing the Pavai Nonbu performed by Andal, the incarnation of Bhumadevi, through her Tirupavai 30 Pasurams. Daily we are enjoying the meaning of the Tirupavai Pasuram, which are treated as the essence of Vedas. Today is the 25th day of Margazhi month. We will see the meaning of this Pasuram, greatness of the mothers Yashoda and Devaki in this Pasuram, along with the Divyadesham referred Tirukkannapuram. And today's Pasuram is ஒருத்தி மகனாய் பிறந்து ஓரிரவில் ஒருத்தி மகனாய் ஒளித்து வளர தரிக்கிலானாகி தான் தீங்கு நினைந்த கருத்தை பிழைப்பித்து கஞ்சன் வயிற்றினில் நெருப்பென்ன நின்ற நெடுமாலே நெருப்பென்ன நின்ற நெடுமாலே உன்னை அறுத்தித்து வந்தோம் பறை தருதியாகில் திருத்தக்க செல்வமும் சேவகமும் யாம் பாடி வருத்தமும் தீர்ந்து மகிழ்ந்தேலோரெம்பாவாய். In the previous Pasuram, Andal told that she is not Swatantra, she is not independent. She knows Bhagavan is the only controller. That Paratantriyam she knows. Andal don't want any material pleasure, but they want to reach Krishna, attain Krishna, to do the Kainkaryam. By seeing the Ananya Seshatvam of Andal, Krishna melted and came out and sat on the Simhasanam. This walk of Bhagavan from the bedroom to Simhasanam reminds Andal about the walk he did in Kritayugam as Vamana and in Tretayugam as Rama when he walked from Ayodhya to Lanka, and in Dwaparayuga when he kicked the Shakatasura. So Andal now did Mangalasvasanam to the feet of the Bhagavan, to his valor, fame and his great attributes like Karuna, Saushilyam, Karunyam, etc. Lakshmiya saha Krishikesaha Devya Karunya Rupayaha Rakshaka Sarva Siddhante Vedante Picha Giyate. Bhagavan is the only protector along with the Pirati. Rakshakan stated in this sloka means getting rid of any obstacles and hardship we face and giving us what we need, that is Anishta Nivritti, removal of dislikes, and Ishta Prapti, attaining the things what we like. So here in this Pasuram, Andal is telling Varuttamam Teerந்து Mahildu. Andal wants to get rid of the sorrow. Here sorrow is the separation from Krishna, and they want to do service to the Krishna, that is the Mahilchi. Not only Vartamam Tirndu, that is clearing of their sorrow, but Mahildu, they should be happy by getting the Kankaryam of Krishna. Krishna thinks that these girls are asking Parai Parai in all the Pasurams, the musical drum. But these girls are waking up in the early morning and woke up all the family members of Krishna also as per protocol, and they are asking just Parai. No, it should be some other great thing they wanted to get from me. So Krishna asked Andal what actually they want. Andal clarifies in this Pasuram that it is not a mere drum they request. Unnai aruttittu vandom. We want to have you only. We want to reach you, your feet, and we want to have your anubhavam and to do Kainkaryam to you only. The Parai is just a sake to refer our request. The Parai, the musical drum, is also one of the sadhanam instrument for doing the nonbu. Because of this nonbu, the higher body will get good rain and they will be happy. Getting the parai is only for the nonbu for the sake of villages. And our supreme goal is to attain Krishna. That is our main goal and purpose. So before giving the request to Krishna, Andal starts singing the greatness of Krishna and his avataram. ஒருத்தி மகனாய் பிறந்து ஓரிரவில் ஒருத்தி மகனாய் ஒளித்து வளர. Krishna was born as the son to one, and on the same night he was transferred to Gokulam and he was brought up by one. ஒருத்தி மகனாய் பிறந்து. Because we all know the Bhagavatam, this Oruthi is Devaki only, that we know. But Andal is not referring the name of Devaki. She is referring as one. When we talk about any great thing or unparalleled one, we used to tell that one, that one person, that one time, that one day, which cannot be compared to anything or anybody. So here Andal referring Devaki as Oruthi. No equal among the women for Devaki. She is the mother of Bhagavan himself. This significance Devaki only is having. When Prishni and Sutabas pleaded Sriman Narayana to bless them with a child like Sriman Narayana, they asked 3 times. So Sriman Narayana told, no other can come like me. So I will come as a son in your next 3 janmas. First time he came as a son to Prishni and Sutabas as Prishnigarbhan, and next in the Atiti Kashyapa he came as the Upendra, and for Devaki Vasudevan he took birth as Krishna. Why Andal is referring Devaki as Oruthi means who can see the Krishna immediately after birth itself with Shankh Chakradari. Tamadbhutam balakam ambujekshanam chaturbhujam Shankha Gadayudayudam Srivatsalakshmam Kalashobhikaustubam Pitambaram Sandrapayoda Saubhagam. Devaki could see the newborn Krishna with all Panchayuta, and she could see the daughter-in-law also Mahalakshmi in the Vakshasthalam of Krishna, and even grandson also Brahma also seen there in the small lotus from the Nabi Kamalam of the newborn baby. So no one could have had the darshan like that except Devaki. That's why Devaki is called as Oruthi. Oriravil Oruthi Mahanai Olithu Valara. Because of the fear of Kamsa, they have to move him to save Krishna. In that night, only 4 members were awake: Devaki, Vasudevan, Krishna, and that Yoga Maya. All others were sleeping with the Maya created by the Bhagavan. So that the same night, he was transferred across the river Yamuna to Nandagopalan house. Oruthi Mahanai Olithu Valara. He is referred as Oruthi, and again how Yashoda also can be referred as Oruthi, because they are not equal to anybody, na? But here Yashoda is also very great, because Bhagavan is having 2 qualities. One, Yashoda only got the happiest moments of play of Krishna, butter stealing, showing the entire world in his mouth, and all Krishna Leela. So definitely she is also Oruthi, unparalleled one. That's why Papanasam Sivan also in his song he writes that Innatavam Seidhanai Yashoda Engum Nirai Parabraham Amma Endraika. Purandaradasar also praises Yashoda as Jagadodharana Adisidale Yashoda. So he grew up as the son of Yashoda. Oruthi Mahanai Olithu Valara, Tarikkilanagi Tan Teenga Ninaitha. When Kamsan came to know that Krishna is growing up in Gokulam, he cannot bear that. He wanted to kill Krishna, but Andal does not want to use that inauspicious word, and she cannot imagine also uttering that word killing. So Andal uses the word Teengu Ninainda. Kamsan thought to do some wrong things to Krishna, but that intention was made false by Krishna. Pidaipittu, it was made as false and wrong. Kanjan Vayittil Niruppenna Nindra Nedumale. The fear that developed in Kamsa has become like a fire in his stomach. In other words, Krishna brought fire from the stomach of all his devotees and kept that in the stomach of Kamsa. Because all the devotees were afraid of any demons and asuras who are coming from nook and corner and whether anything may happen to Krishna. So that fire was transferred to Kamsan. கருத்தை பிழைப்பித்து கஞ்சன் வயிற்றில் நெருப்பெண்ண நின்ற நெடுமாலே. Mal means affection, the love. Nedumale, great affection and love. Bhagavan is having great affection towards his devotees in spite of the shortcomings in them. Sometimes he takes and he treats that shortcomings itself as a good attribute and good gunam and accept the devotees. Andal says, Nedumale, உன்னை அறிவித்து வந்தோம். We have come here for you only, not for the musical drum. We want to do service to you only. Parai tarudiyagil, if you give the kaikaryam to us, because the goal is to attain Krishna and the means to attain Krishna also Krishna only. So if he wants to give only, we will get that parai, that kaikaryam. Parai tarudiyagil, tiruttakka selvamum sevagamum yampadi. Tiruttakka selvam means the wealth which is appropriate for Mahalakshmi to desire. Bhagavan is the wealth here because Mahalakshmi herself desired that only. So Bhagavan is the Tirttakka Selvam. Sevagam, great deeds and feats that Bhagavan has performed and his attributes. So we all will think about the Bhagavan and his great deeds and Vartamum Tirthu Magildu. We want to get rid of all the sorrows and want to be happy by getting your Kainkaryam. Andal says Vartam Tirthu Magildu because just getting rid of the sorrow is not enough. So now Krishna is happy. Krishna is ready to give what Andal asked. We will see in the next Pasuram. Andal is going to give the list of items what she wants more from Krishna. The Divya Desam related to this Pasuram is Tirukkannapuram. The phrase ஒருத்தி மகனாய் பிறந்து ஓரிரவில் ஒருத்தி மகனாய் ஒளித்து வளர is experienced in the Divya Prabandham of Tirumangai Alvar in his Periya Tirumozhi. In his Periya Tirumozhi, 800, total 100 Pasurams, he did Mangala Sashanam for this Divyadesham Tirukkannapuram. The Pasuram Tandai Kalil Vilangara Vandu Thondriya Thondral talks about his birth to Devaki and Vasudevan. And in a Pasuram, Mari Makkadal Valaivarku Ilayavan is about his growing at Yashoda's house. Oruthi Mahanai Olithu Valara. Tirumangai Alvar in his Pasuram says that தாய் எடுத்த சிறு கோலுக்கு உழைந்தோடி தயிருண்ட வாய் துடைத்த மைந்தனுக்கு. This act describes Krishna running away from Yashoda to escape from her beatings. Thus the Divyadesham of Tirukkannapuram and the Pasurams referred for Tirukkannapuram is experienced with this Tirupavai Pasuram. Tirukkannapuram Moolavar is Neelamegha Perumal, Urchavar Sauri Rajan. Sauri means hair. One day the priest of this temple gave the garland used in the Perumal Puja to his sweetheart. It so happened quite unexpectedly that the king came to the temple, but the priest had no puja garland to receive the king. He simply used the second-hand garland to present to the king. The king noticed a hair and inquired about the priest how it came there. The priest replied immediately that it was the hair of Perumal by having the belief on the Perumal. But the king demanded to show that. The priest assured the king to show it the next day. The priest pleaded Perumal to save him from this Raja Aparadam. The king agreed but warned him of punishment if he failed. The priest fell at the feet of the Lord to protect him. When the king came the next day, Perumal gave him darshan with hair. Thus he became Sauri Raja Perumal. That is the Saulabhyam and Karunyam of the Perumal. To his devotees, he will do to the extent whatever he can do. Uschava Sauri Raja Perumal, Tayar Kannapura Nayaki. Shri Kannapura Nayaki Sameta Sri Sauri Rajaya Namaha. We will see the speciality of the 26th Pasuram tomorrow. Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha, Srimate Godayai Namaha.